And today we're gonna install the mud flaps. This will be a lot easier than what we did in the last video. For this one, the plan is simple. Fit them and screw them on. That's basically it. The mud flaps really changed the car, so check them out in the end of the video. So I just saw there is some rust, and that's something we're gonna to remove. So these are some cheap $20 mud flaps from Amazon, but they seem to work. I searched for a solution on how I can install the mud flaps without screwing into the body of the car, but I didn't find any, so we do it the easiest way and screw it into the body. But first, if you like it so far, please subscribe and like this video if you liked it so far. It means the world to me, and I'm really thankful for everyone who's joining and watching. So if you like it, subscribe. So that was a kinda easy job and kinda fast. One important note is that the next upgrade would be the tires, but at the moment we are in winter, and in winter all-terrain tires are not really the best solution. So I'm keeping them on and get some good beefy mud all-terrain tires for the spring. So the next video will not be a Porsche 944 project build. It will be a new little series, which I'm really hyped to do. And you maybe saw a little bit of a sneak peek in this video already. So subscribe if you don't want to miss that. And I'll see you on the next one.